woken up by the sound of what it seems like a thunderstorm. The noise is so loud that it sometimes hurts my ears. Even though it's loud, it's surprisingly soothing as I try not to fall asleep. I try to take a look at the time, but realize the clock is broken. Strangely, the telephone starts ringing. As I answer the call, I was greeted by nothing, until I hear a faint screaming coming from the phone. As I end the phone, the screaming continued. Out of fear, I was paralyzed, and then the screaming stops, but something starts. There was a faint knocking coming from the window. I take a look at the window and saw nothing there. I try to walk back to my room and hear the knocking again, this time coming from the main door. Curiosity got the best of me as I opened the door and I saw